Hello! Today I'm introducing Crocoblade, the bandsaw blade specifically designed for wood. Anyone who works with a bandsaw knows that the blade makes all the difference. A poor blade vibrates, heats up and ruins the cut. With Crocoblade, on the other hand, you get smooth, precise cuts, less strain on the machine and longer service life. The blades are made of premium steel, with teeth designed for fast, clean cuts. Perfect for hardwood, softwood, paneling and firewood. You can fit them on all bandsaws on the market because we manufacture them to measure directly in our workshop in Italy in a very short time. Crocoblade is not your typical low-quality blade. It is the result of 40 years of experience in carpentry and firewood cutting, and if you are not satisfied with the blade's performance, I'll give you your money back.